Hi friends, welcome to Bella Stitchery. What's the best thing about pants or a dress? Pockets, right? Well, why shouldn't all of our cards and mini albums have pockets? Where have the pockets gone? Today we're bringing them back in full effect. So this is an Authentique Liberty Collection mini album with so many pockets, you're gonna wish they were cargo pants. I don't know about that joke. Anyway, I made this last night. I wanted to share it with you because I like it. I'll have a link to this collection in my description. I've used this collection before in videos because I love pinups so much. Oh my gosh, they make me so happy. So let's get to it. I'm going to show you what I made here. We're going to walk through. The front of my mini album here has this pocket, like so. How cute. I have embellished this with some ribbon, some Prima flowers, banners, rhinestones, buttons. You know, the front of anything is the best because you could just go bananas with it. And so for the pocket, I also made a couple little mini cards. This has a little, you could put a photo on this. You can put a sentiment in here, a secret, a clue. You want to make a treasure map, put a clue. I don't know. Use your imagination on that. Then this one, I also love. I made a little tag here. For this tag, I decided to use a staple instead of the traditional tie because I didn't want to add bulk because this is also going to close and it's going to fit in the pocket. You see what I'm saying? For this, I made a little tag by hand out of the paper, added some flowers and some jute cord. So fun. Then this is going to open like so. It's pretty big, so I'm going to do this because I don't know if I could even fit the whole thing in here. So this first flap here has a photo section. You could put a picture as a little Liberty Bell. Cuteness. Then it's going to open again. And at the bottom, I've decorated it with some flowers. These are from 49 and Market. A little stamp. That sticker was part of the collection there. Some rhinestones. Then, whoop, my pockets. I have some pockets here. So in this pocket, I put space for another photo, made another mini card. These are so easy to make. Anything you fold in half, instant card. Decorated that with some little goodies from the collection. Put this little USA sticker on there and a pin. There should be more mini cards. Pockets and mini cards. Bring it back. Bringing it back in style. And then up here, another pocket. Pockets are fun. Pockets are easy. Here's another tag. I just freehand cut this tag. The sticker was part of the collection. I put it on just some cardstock here, cut around it with some scissors, leaving myself a section for my hole punch at the top. Easy. So easy. So that is my mini album. If you're interested in how to put together an album like this, would you let me know in the comments? I'm never sure if people want to see a flip through quick video or, you know, a 45-minute, here's step by step how I made it. So would you let me know which one you prefer? Because if you'd like to see how they're made from, you know, its origins, its humble origins of paper, let me know and I could do another video. So subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, add some pockets, check it out, try it out. Let's make some stuff. Bye.